Don't forget there are 3 heats tomorrow, followed by the final. All right, the dogs parading for our 5th and final heat. Number 1 is Egg Roll under the care of Emily Mather and Bart Egnall. 2 is Ruby Lee under the care of Jane Little. 3 is Lucia under the care of John Healy. 4 is Tegan, Cindy Henderson. 5 is Yogi, Ivan Minich Lukic. 6, Pongo, Christina Knopp. 7, Nikita Bella, Jen Bailey. And the 8 is Ollie Bertuzzi with Lauren Bertuzzi. Starter Joe Gray checking over the 8 dogs. Be set to go any moment. 5th and final heat on this Saturday afternoon. They've been given their final instructions and they're off. And the 5, Yogi is very quickly, and Yogi crosses the line very quickly. The other ones want to make friends with each other. But Yogi is very quickly heading off to Ivana Minich Lukic. So Yogi back tomorrow for the final.